What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a quick look at how to pair a phone to a 2023 Hyundai Elantra using Bluetooth. The Elantra in this video has the full digital dash. Depending on your Elantra's options, your center screen may look a little bit different. And I'm going to be demonstrating this on an iPhone. Other phones will be similar. The first thing I'm going to do is go into my phone's settings and open my Bluetooth menu. And just make sure your Bluetooth is on. Now taking a look at our center screen. If we're not already there, go ahead and click the home button right here. And from this screen, I'm going to click phone. And then from here, I'll click add.
Turn Bluetooth on from your device in order to search. On your device, select the name that matches vehicle name on the screen.
Now taking a look at our phone, we're going to click Elantra. And then we want to make sure that the PIN number on our phone matches the PIN number on our center screen. And it does, so we'll go ahead and click pair. And this is just asking if I want to give it access to my contacts. But as you can see, we are now connected.